Previously on
Hey, it's me.
Anyway, Mr. Turtle, I will save you. Radical dude.
Did you see what I did?
You so totally rock, Squirt! So give me some fin. Noggin. Dude.
Don't look at me like that. Would you mind smiling? Anyone's not camera shy. Oh boy, what the world is that? What is that up there? Oh my gosh. You like an Oreo chocolate chip cookie. Oh snap, that scared me.
Getting that cold.
Shark, hammerhead shark.
You scared of him?
Oh, he's slimy.
Oh, I'm so scared. It's so close.
You can't get in the pool.
Hey, bud.
You're getting cold. Look at the shark. See the shark? Oh, what is this?
Oh my
thing that's
goodness.
furry and look at that. Where's Riley? Riley. Oh, look at this thing. It's on the bottom. It's furry. Like a crab.
It says the person don't want to stick the whole arm in there.
My hand.
Well, I think there's a glass right there where you're at.
Oh. Whoa, hey, come here, Riley. Look down there. Look at that. Riley, look at this little thing crawling here. Riley, you see it? What in the world? Take a look. It's like a turtle with legs. Well, a turtle.
I touched him. He's looking for some air.
It's a fish with legs.
Just a shark.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it looks like a hermit crab.
Touch that one, touch that one.
Okay, I'm fixing to touch one.
Ooh, it is slimy.
There's a stingray right there. Here's one right here. There we go.
Can't touch it.
I am about to feed the rays. So just a fair warning, once I do feed them, they're going to develop little food babies like we do and go down for a little nap afterwards. But before then, I'll tell a little about who's who in the tank. The ones that you kind of see starting to glide by the window, the darker brown colors, those are cow nose rays. They get their name because their face looks like a cow's nose. These two stingrays right here in front of me that are kind of gliding on the sand, those are Atlantic rays. And then the big black stingray over in front of the window, She is a blunt nose ray. And yes, we do have a shark in the tank. He is a bonnet head hammerhead shark. Cool thing about him, he's already full grown. He won't get any bigger. His species is considered the smallest species in the hammerhead family. And then there's some alien creatures that you kind of see on the bottom. Some of them might be buried. One has a lot of algae growing on her currently.
What is that?
It's a horseshoe crab.
A horseshoe crab. Okay. I couldn't remember what they were called.
Yes. The bigger ones, the bigger horseshoe crabs will be your females, and the smaller horseshoe crabs will be your males.
Okay.
And we do have all kinds of different fish in here. It's just really hard to pinpoint who's who right now to tell y'all who's who. But we do have mullet, tomtate, scad, moonfish, a look down, hermits. But I can say for sure, the ones that are more distinctly that you can see on the sand, like the ones over here in front of you, the ones that look like they have wings, and they also have a little leg. Those are big-headed sea robins.
Big-headed
Sea robins. That's kind of like who's who in the tank. So yeah, the big-headed sea robins are right here at the sign, coming towards y'all. There it is, Mama.
I see it.
So I do something called broadcast feeding, where I stick my hand in this bucket full of food and just throw it across the tank. So fair warning, there might be splashing involved because they tend to get a little excited. But sometimes they're still waking up, sometimes they'll get excited. We'll have to see how they're doing. And there's also a window down here if y'all want to watch through it. But yeah, they're about to feed. So their breakfast today is large krill. And everybody in the tank will eat it, including the horseshoe crabs, the rays, and the sharks.
How many times a day do they eat?
I feed them twice a day, morning and evening, and roughly 3 pounds each. And we change the food up every day, so they're not getting the exact same thing. So like they'll eat large krill today, and then another day will be squid, and then another day will be like chopped fish. But does anybody have any questions for me? And also the appendage that you see opening and closing on the town nose rays, that's not their mouths. Their mouths are located on the bottom. It's just that appendage actually creates a current through their mouth to help them eat better. But when they eat, they do basically a suction motion.
You ready to go?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Babe! It's a beautiful day out here.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Out here and where are we? Hummingbird Sanctuary.
I just saw birds here.
We're at the bird sanctuary in Dauphin Island. This is our view. Oh, look at the trees dancing in the sky. Or in the wind, I mean.
That one got a cricket attack.
Alligators are present.
Birdhouse.
Oh, look at the little birdhouse. Huh?
It's nice. You touching stuff.
Leaves of 3, let it be.
Alligator. You'll see it when we go to it.
Where?
I was looking from there. These people got a litter. Come on, man.
Hey, Mr. Franklin.
There's 2 of them.
Oh, Mr. Franklin and Mrs. Franklin.
What? You named them?
Mr. Franklin and Mrs. Franklin.
Named them?
Yes, I named the turtles. Why not? Name the turtles. Beautiful.
There's another turtle over there.
Oh, he's sticking his head up. Let me see how I can get him.
Turtle right there. In the water.
I see food.
Man, I wish I had a turtle.
Kill me again. Right?
There's 3. Look at the little baby turtle. It's a family.
There's more.
Oh, look at the big one. It's a big family.
Wow, look at that. Look at the big one.
Look at the little. Look at it. Oh, it's another one. Family.
I think the mommy one.
Oh, the other one went down. Oh, it's not real.
I see a turtle there.
They got some big turtles. All shapes and sizes. What is that? You see the bubble? It was a big bubble that came to the top. I thought it was a coin at first. It's like, what is that?
Look down there.
Oh, wow.
A turtle. There's another turtle.
That one's huge.
Big
Colossal.
one. Yeah.
Look at his snout. That's the turtle from Kung Fu Panda.
There's a saying, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Hey guys. That's a big one. It's the whole family of turtles. They probably underneath this thing.
Right there. There's a turtle right here.
Look, there's another one too. 2 of them.
Chinese tallow tree. Fire. Fire bad. Fire is good. Thank you for posing.
It's dried up. Oh, I see. It's just grass covering it. This is so pretty. Alfred Moss. So, how do you feel?
Super.
Is there anything you'd like to tell your viewers?
My viewers?
Yes, your viewers.
Yes, I would like to tell your viewers that
Okay.
if you eat protein, eat lizards, and drink crocodile blood, you can make it in life.
Protein, lizards, and crocodile blood. What kind of meal plan is that?
One of a kind.
It's very different, all right? Rare. It's very different.
Yeah, see?
Rare. Is that what you eat? Or are you just telling your viewers that?
Well, there comes a time when a man has to pass on his secrets to other people. And I do believe that this is one of those times.
Have any last words for your viewers?
Ribbit?
Well, there you have it. Ribbit. Let's go. Are you secretly an amphibian?
The world? Definitely not. I was created in God's image.
Amen. I just had to ask, just in case a viewer had, someone may have that question. You never know these days. You never know. I've heard of someone that identifies with being a horse. Do you know of any of this?
You're right. There's some people that identify as broomsticks.
Oh, look, there's tents. The camping ground. Oh, that's the camping ground we saw earlier, huh? Mm-hmm. When we was driving. Okay, I'm done.